morning all. Welcome to our next class. Today we have to discuss about volume and density. In the previous class we have discussed about how to find the area of curved leaf, and today we have to discuss about volume and density. And in the previous class we have already discussed about the derived units and fundamental units. And today we have to discussing first of all volume. For understanding volume and what is the volume of a substance or what is the density of substances. Is the volume of substances is different and the density of the substances is different. We have to discussing all about today. So first of all we have to select the topic volume. What is the volume of a substance? To finding the volume of a substance or for defining the volume of substance, we are considering two blocks. First block is a wooden block and the second block is a thermocol block. First one is a wooden block and the second one is a thermocol block. For understanding the volume of substances, we are considering two blocks. One is a wooden block and the other one is a thermocol block. And consider these two blocks are same volume. How can we find these two blocks are same volume, and we want to find or define the definition for volume. These two blocks having same length, same breadth and same height. So the length, breadth and the height of these two blocks are same. We have to take it, the length is 2 centimeter, the breadth is, the length is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter and the height is 3 meters. Two blocks having same height, same breadth and same length. And we have to calculate the volume of these two blocks having the equation volume equals length into breadth into height. The equation for finding volume is length into breadth into height. So we can find out the volume of these two blocks using 2 into 1 into 3. So 6 meter cube is the volume of these two blocks. These two blocks having same volume, that is 6 meter cube. How is the volume of these two blocks are same? Because the length, the breadth and the height of these two blocks are same, and we can calculate the volume by using the equation length into breadth into height. Then we can get the answer 6 meter cube is the volume of these two blocks. So the volume of these two blocks are same. And we want to define what is the volume of a substance through slide. Volume. The space occupied by a body is referred to as its volume. The space occupied a body is referred to as its volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. And the unit of volume is meter cube. So now we define that volume is the space for occupying a body. So this wooden block and thermocol block have the volume, and this is the space for occupying that body. This is the space for occupying these two bodies, and that space for occupying a body is called the volume of that specified body. So the wooden block having a volume and thermocol block having another volume, and the volume of these two blocks are the space for occupying that body. That is the volume of a substance. And we see that unit of volume is meter cube. If the unit is a derived unit or fundamental unit, we can find that the meter cube unit of volume from the units of length, breadth and height. The basic unit of length is meter. So height, breadth and length are the units of length. So we take length, breadth and height in the basic unit of length, that is meter. So here three length units. So we can find that m into m, that is meter cube, is the unit of volume. So here we can conclude that the unit of volume is meter cube and it is a derived unit. It comes from the fundamental units of length, and that is meter, and we derived the derived unit, that is for volume, is meter cube. So the unit of volume is meter cube, and what is the volume? It is the space occupying by a body is known as the volume of a body. Okay, and we have to discussing about what is the density of a body. For understanding the density of body, we are already discussing about the mass of substance. What is the mass of substance? That is the quantity of matter contained in one substance is known as the mass of the substance. So the mass and the volume of the substance is different. Volume and mass of one substance is different. That is, volume is the space for occupation. And mass is the quantity of matter. So the volume and mass of substances is different. And from the volume and mass, we have to find the density of the substance through slide. Density of substance is mass per unit volume of a substance is referred to as its density. That is, the density of a substance is mass per unit volume. Mass and volume are different for different substances, and mass per unit volume is known as density. Mass of a substance is the quantity of matter contained in it, and the volume of a substance is the space occupied for that body. And density is equal to mass by volume. Unit of density is equal to unit of mass by unit of volume, that is kilogram per meter cube. So the unit of density is kilogram meter cube. So we define that density is the mass per unit volume. So density is equal to mass per unit volume. Density is the mass per unit volume, and the unit of density is the unit of mass divided by the unit of volume. Unit of mass is kilogram and the unit of volume is meter cube. So the unit of density is kilogram meter cube. Unit of density is kilogram meter cube. And this unit is also a derived unit. The derived unit is coming from the fundamental units of mass, and a derived unit volume. The fundamental unit of mass is kilogram, length is meter and volume is meter cube. And from here we can conclude that the unit of density is kilogram meter cube. So now we are discussing about what is the volume of substance and what is the density of substance. And the density of substance is different based on different objects. For understanding this, we have to see a simple experiment. For understanding the density of substance is different, for taking two beakers having water. This beaker having pure water and this beaker having pure water that is mixed with the salt. So this is saline water. This is a beaker containing water and this is a beaker containing saline water. And put one egg to this first beaker. The first beaker, that egg is fully immersed in the water. And we put an egg into the saline water. That egg is floating on the surface of the saline water. When we put in one egg to the pure water, that egg is coming immersed in the beaker and in the saline water, that egg is floating. This is because the density of the water and the density of saline water is different. The saline water having higher density, so the egg is floating here. The saline water having higher density, that's why the egg is floating here. So the density of water is different, the density of saline water. Here we adding salt to this water, that's why the density of saline water comes to increase. So based on the density, every liquid having different densities. When we add some more salt to this saline water, the floating egg is come to upper side and it's here some portion is inside the water. When we adding some more salt and we increasing the density of the saline water, the floating egg is come to more upper side. And here the immersed or liquid portion is like this. When the density of that saline water is come to more high, the egg is come to like this. That is when increasing the density of liquids, the floating of egg is come to higher. So the density of different substances are different. And we have a question in our slide. If petrol, diesel, etc. catches fire, one should never try to extinguish it using water. Why? Water have higher density than petrol and diesel. Water having higher density than petrol and diesel. That's why we didn't use water in case of fire. Okay, so today we have to discussing about the volume and density of substances. Today we have to discussing about the volume and density of substances. What is the volume of substance? It is the space occupied. by a body is known as the volume of a substance, and the density of substance is mass per unit volume. Volume is the space occupied by a body and density is the mass per unit volume. And mass is the quantity of matter. Mass is the quantity of matter, volume is the space occupied, and density is the mass per unit volume. And the unit of volume is meter cube. How can we got the meter cube unit? From volume is equal to length into breadth into height. The basic units of these length are meter. So we can find meter cube is the unit of volume and it is a derived unit. And the basic unit of mass is kilogram and it is a fundamental unit. And density is the mass per unit volume, that is mass divided by volume. And the unit of mass is kilogram and the unit of derived unit of volume is meter cube. So the unit of density is kilogram meter cube. And the density of different substances are different and the volume and the mass of the different substances are different. Volume is the space occupied, mass is the quantity of matter and density is the mass per unit volume. If one substance or one liquid having higher density, if any object is immersed in that liquid, it is floating on the surface of that liquid. And in our textbook, we have seen a picture that is a man who is reading a book in sea. That is the Dead Sea, and the density of Dead Sea is very higher because the salt content in that water in the Dead Sea is higher. So any object we put into that sea, only its float, it's not immersed because the density of that water or the sea water is higher in Dead Sea comparatively other seas. So the density of any substance is higher, only the objects immersed to it is only floating on the surface because the density of that substance is higher. So we have to conclude that volume is the space for occupation and density is the mass per unit volume. But if the density of the substance is higher, any of the object is immersed to that substance is only floating on the surface of that liquid because the density. So density making the floating of object. So today we are only discussing about the density and volume. Thank you.